First of all, you can go ahead and launch your Twitter or X application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on your profile picture icon to go to settings. And if you're using website, go ahead and open x.com, log into your account, tap on more option from the left-hand side of your screen, then tap on settings and privacy, go to your account option, then select account information from the right-hand side of the screen. Before you change anything about your information, you need to confirm your password. So enter your password in this field. Then after, go to the username option in the top of the screen. Select your previous username and delete it. Then enter the new username that you want to set. If the username has not been taken, you'll be able to use it. Now go ahead and tap on save, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. And in the case if you want to change your name, go to your profile, tap on edit profile, then you'll get this section of name. Go ahead, delete your previous name and enter a new one and tap on save in the top right corner of your screen and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and change your name and username on Twitter or X application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.